Are you shopping today?
Yes, I am shopping today.
What do you need?
I need some bread.
Do you need milk?
Yes, I need milk.
Where is the supermarket?
The supermarket is nearby.
Can you find it?
Yes, I can find it.
What are you buying?
I am buying fruit.
Do you have a basket?
Yes, I have a basket.
Where is the bread?
The bread is there.
Is this fresh?
Yes, this is fresh.
What else do you need?
I need some eggs.
Do you like apples?
Yes, I like apples.
How many apples?
I need 4 apples.
Can you carry this?
Yes, I can carry it.
Where is the milk?
The milk is inside.
Is the store busy?
Yes, the store is busy.
What is on sale?
The juice is on sale.
Do you need water?
Yes, I need water.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Do you need a cart?
Yes, I need a cart.
Where are the vegetables?
The vegetables are here.
Can you buy tomatoes?
Yes, I can buy tomatoes.
What vegetables do you need?
I need carrots and onions.
Is the cheese fresh?
Yes, the cheese is fresh.
How much is the cheese?
The cheese is $5.
Do you like yogurt?
Yes, I like yogurt.
Where is the yogurt?
The yogurt is refrigerated.
Can you buy chicken?
Yes, I can buy chicken.
What meat do you need?
I need chicken today.
Is the cashier available?
Yes, the cashier is available.
Where is the checkout?
The checkout is ahead.
Do you have enough money?
Yes, I have enough money.
How will you pay?
I will pay by card.
Can you pack everything?
Yes, I can pack everything.
Why do you shop today?
I need groceries today.
Are the bags reusable?
Yes, the bags are reusable.
What is your total?
My total is $30.
Excuse me, can you help?
Yes, I can help.
Where is the rice?
The rice is there.
Do you sell coffee?
Yes, we sell coffee.
How much is it?
It is $8.
Is this coffee fresh?
Yes, it is fresh.
Can I buy 2?
Yes, you can buy 2.
Where is the cashier?
The cashier is ahead.
Do you accept cards?
Yes, we accept cards.
How can I pay?
You can pay by card.
Is this everything?
Yes, this is everything.
Can I have a bag?
Yes, you can.
How much is my total?
Your total is $20.
Do you need a receipt?
Yes, I need a receipt.
Where is the exit?
The exit is outside.
Are you finished shopping?
Yes, I am finished.
What did you buy?
I bought bread and milk.
Can you come again?
Yes, I can come again.
Why do you shop here?
The prices are good.
Where are we going?
We are going home.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I'm happy.